crowd is going because they want to be liked. That's not who we're trying to be in 2023. It's okay not to like us, okay? We obviously nobody wants to live life with people hating them, but it's pure fact. People, like, I don't consider it different from others, right? I've been called crowd.
I waiting this my sister NELO OKEKE. If you never watched that her video, what till they wait for head to her channel? Yes, so now this our beautiful sister. NELO OKEKE don't give her woto. Yes, so he don't give her woto. Hey, this 2023 is like all the content creators, they vex. Yes. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. If today the first time of coming across this Naija Daughter TV, please do where to subscribe. Or if you like the house, if you like me in passing, if you like what I bring out, you can subscribe so that you go they come watch me, come drop your own beautiful comments. Okay. Probably not too much. Hey, yeah. So subscribe to me, okay, so that you they come watch my video. Yes, that's why I reach. I be mommy of two. I be Naija-pidgin-English. I dey live for France. Yeah. Waiting I bring come out for this my sister NELO OKEKE. If you never watched that her video, head to her channel, go watch her video. Yes, go watch that her video. Now our beautiful sister we just hit 100 subscribers. Yes, go watch her video. See me una see they subscribe to her. Not be by subscribe, me una subscribe, me una they watch the video. They very important. Yes, now they very important. I come out for this her video when she dropped. I pick a lot of things inside. I don't know about you. Maybe you never watch her. Maybe you don't watch her. You never speak anything. But for me, I pick a lot because this video when I drop of recent about our sister Editorial and her sister, you know, a lot of comments when I receive, you know, it make me say, this my sister, I just blew the hell. She talk say, if you don't like what that person talk or what that person do, now your own opinion. No drop her for her comment section. Head to your channel. And go and drop a comment. You know, many of those comments when they receive, so those insults, now I'm still fellow YouTuber, many of them, they be our fellow YouTuber. They don't want to use their real face take home. They will go use another face take home. Whether someone that they heavy you, whether someone that not just like you when they see you say you don't join the community of the YouTube, they go just they heavy you. I don't really know. You understand? This our sister NELO say, me una go in our house, me una go open a channel. If you never open your channel, go open your channel, drop your opinion. My opinion and your opinion if not fit jam. For you, can't drop comments, hate comments. It's not good. And really, it's not really good. We are all human. You know, waiting I read maybe my opinion, enough is sweet you. Or you go now just see somebody when they try to put smile on her face, they try to be herself, or the person do something. Now just they condemn. I say no. He said it's not done. Me una head to una channel, me una go drop that. And not true. She said your opinion in my account at your own house. He said, can you imagine? You just come person done, you just no this thing when you they do and not like he said, no, it don't make sense. She said she don't make sense. He said she they admire Jackie. Hey, my sister NELO, you still get to you see the admire. He said some people call her name proud, this. Some people not like your talk, like person like me, one not be speaking the grammatic. Yes. I try to be myself. If you're out there, this 2023, as our beautiful sister NELO OKEKE, she said, be yourself. He said, what you know, say, in fact, as far as you know, they hurt other person. For me, I not look and say that they hurt other person. You know, by happy, some people you're just happy that they vex. Some people you put your cricachet for body that they vex. Some people you perm your head that they vex. Some people just seeing you that they vex. Some people maybe God just promote you that they vex. That's what some people just be. She said, may you try be yourself. She said, you know, they again say you go your channel, go now. This one sweet me. Hey, this one sweet me. This one drive my liver. I call me. He said, no wonder this my sister not they come out to come black soon. I never hear it. Now I'm saying we are all content creators. So far, if you want to make content out of person, no insult. You understand? If maybe she even do wrong, let her know, say, this part you are wrong, you are totally wrong. Like when I talk to my sister in UK, I say, no, wait till you do edit. By coming out, she's your sister. If you talk to her, she not take, then leave her. You know, if you still watch your video those days, my sister, that's example. When they talk to editorial, say, when person talk about this girl, that time you editorial, when they good relationship, that make me know, say, something, they trigger about what it be her name again, stay with her husband's sister. You come and say, people, me not leave my family alone. Editorial not be her mother. That time you are editorial, you know, whether I put on say you dey lawyer that time, nah, you don't they chop the money. Sister, no worry if I come Abuja, I'll visit you. Why I no visit you? Hey, probably not too much. You see, he said, go your channel, go drop your opinion. When I drop my opinion for my channel, She drop comment. You know, when you see something when e not good, for you to drop that hate comment, no. If you not be content creator, like me, those days when I not be content creator, not all video I drop comment. If you not sweet me, wait till you talk, you not sweet me, I no drop comment. If it sweet me, I go drop. If you not sweet me, I waka pass. If sometimes, if you even sweet me, I'll give thumbs up. When they give me thumbs up. Oh. Ah, my beautiful people. Hey, now just watch this video. Now, no, just give me thumbs up. Wait till now. I dey offend you now. I mean, I not like me. Wait till I do now. This channel and I back, I go dey bring all any celebrity, the one with my hand catch. Any news. Those are our YouTubers. Yes, I go dey bring as our sister now. Our sister now don't put, he say, bam, if I do something you don't like, if I do something when you like, go to your channel, analyze, He said, no cry for my channel. That is true. NELO don't sign now. You see our sister, editorial 556, editorial Amy, Amy, abi Amy, I don't know. She still talking and say, if you want to make content out of content, this 2023, I just tell many people, if you want to make content out of content, don't insult. Yes, you can correct person with wait till you think say it good. You use a correct person. Why they always do like this? I know the feel they sit down like this. Why would they my body? Hey, problem not too much. Hey, ga. He say, if you want to make content out of content, don't insult. And that is true. No insult. Okay? No insult. Drop your comment as you see am. You can even drop comment by correcting that person without no insult. Like one say, he say, Ekebe fans, when I gather, when we beat this lady, you want to beat your sister. What I do you now? You want to beat our sister NELO say, go your channel. Go beat me there. Yes. No call my comment section, say, make they beat this girl. When they gather, oh, you want to beat your sister. Now be your sister, oh, if you be man, if you be sister, now you drop this kind of comment. I be your sister, yes now. Whether you like her, you don't like her, I be your sister. Now God created every human being. Yes. For the God side, we are sisters. We are sisters and brothers. Not tell them, they gather, they beat me. Tell them, they gather, they bless me. Now bless me. This 2023 now bless me. Now bless you, okay? I don't offend anybody. If I offend anybody by talking about Ekeme and editorial and withdraw my word, okay? But for me, I don't say I not insult. I just try to talk, say, where editorial for make mistake and where Ekeme for make mistake. You know, when you look the both side, Ekeme the vet for her sister. Let's tell ourselves the truth. If Ekeme not the vet for her sister, now we've never watched that Ekeme video. UK, when she come out, when she analyzed her husband's sister, when person say, wait till they do her husband's sister, they not like, I know the truth, and why go government school, in children they go private school. If Nana Ekeme go come, I go say, yes, now wicked thing, and this, that. You understand? Talk of pastor when they not relate. This girl now, relate to her husband. But Ekeme come outside, come blacks people. Because now her sister, that time she take as her sister. Now they don't, something don't they behind when she diverse, whether she diverse or the growth when she rewind as her sister gets how many and she never feel hit like 100 subscriber or they share her, those things it dey. Now it make me say, my beautiful sister, your hand dey, you dey vex because if you know the vex, I believe say Ekeme go come out, come blast us, say may we leave her family just because he dey vex for editorial. That view she know they get her. Yes, I can use. You want to use the sister, take get view, Then I not come from me, then I not come from me at all. We are one family. How we be one family? As far you are a human being, it's God that creates you with the own image, with the like and love when God gets for us. For that, whether you be another country, you be as far as you be human being, when they eat, when they talk, when they feel, they do things, we are one. Okay, this is my beautiful sister. With NELO OKEKE. She said, try be yourself this 2023. If you sabi speak English, speak am. If you not sabi speak English like me, if you not sabi anything when you know say, to your life, just live your life as you see am. No use because of I want please this person. Be just try being you. Just try do wait till say it fits you. No, it good for your blood and it good for your body. I know they hurt you. Then keep it up. Whether they say that they talk, let them say it's somebody's name. Okay, just try be yourself. Not go to spoil somebody comment section and go cry for there. Baby, kanga, kongo, kongo. Like too much for this street. Hey, yes, and now this I got to talk. Now me be Naija Daughter TV. Now me be Esther Family TV. Please, guys, follow me, okay? Subscribe. All my returning. I know say I'm loyal. I'm so loyal. Yes, I'm so loyal. Try be yourself in this 2023. Not live your life for anybody. No matter what you try to do, human being, they will still be human being. Some people, she even happy. She say, hey, some people say they like me. They like you they like her. That is NELO. Some people say they like her for who she be. Yes. Many of us will like you for how you be, for how you carry people, for how you do your things. Many of us will like you. You just get 100 subscribers. Many people like you. Many people know you. Past people even get, you're doing your good. Don't give a day this 2023. Be yourself and keep doing what you know how to do. And for me, I pick a lot of things. If you never watch that video, maybe now go watch it. Okay, maybe I'll pick some part inside. Okay. Hey, baby, ganga, ganga. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Please subscribe. If you never subscribe, subscribe. If you like me, subscribe. Okay, always come back and watch my video. Okay, okay.
To this bracket, okay, a lot of us are losing our individuality, and I just want to go deep into that conversation today. People like the idea of individuality. We all do. People like the idea of people being themselves, people being their true selves, people just being exactly who they are. But at the end of the day, do people really like that idea? It kind of depends on who your true self is, who you really are, okay? When it comes to like being expressive, whether it's in dressing or the way you talk or just the way you, should I say act or whatnot, it just depends, okay? People want you to be expressive in that manner, but it still has to be somewhere under the brackets that, that they have, or more like somewhere under the umbrella that they have put, okay? If you fall anywhere outside that, you're going to be dragged, sis. I seriously admire people that do what they want, say what they want, wear what they want of criticism, because that's what social media is turning into now. People are now scared to be their true selves. People are scared to, share their true feelings. People are scared to have an opinion about anything. And let me even use Nigeria as an example, seeing as I'm Nigerian, obviously. In Nigeria, to be honest, in the Nigerian online space, I don't know a lot of people. Please, I might be wrong or right. I don't know. You probably know some people. But personally, actually, I'll give an example. I know one or two people. I don't know a lot of people actually using their voices for good, okay? I don't know a lot of people that actually have opinions about a lot of things, be it political issues or whatnot, or social issues. A lot of people just hide behind something. A lot of people are scared of the criticism they'll face. They are not, I don't know what to use, they're not free enough to be their individual selves, okay? They kind of follow wherever the crowd is going because they want to be liked. That's not who we're trying to be in 2023. It's okay not to like us, okay? We obviously, nobody wants to live life with people hating them, but it's from others, right? But in my own little way, I've been called proud, I've been called rude, I've been called whatnot, okay? That is what happens in Nigeria. When you're a very expressive person, when you express yourself, when you're your individual self, people will tag you. You're either tagged, doing too much, you're gay, you're seeking attention, you're proud, you're rude. They will say, this one is high, this cannot be. Like, must I be anything? Why can't it be just who I am and the way I'm choosing to express myself? Like, why must we be tagged? Why is it so hard for us to understand that people are actually very different? Some people are very extra. Like, I have very extra friends. That's their personality. Why do we have to tag those people like doing too much? What exactly is doing too much? You're not doing enough. And for this reason of being tagged here, seriously, we lack individuality, especially in the online space, okay? To be honest, that is a chain I want to break this year. I want to be my true self this year. I want to put out the kind of content I want to put out this year without fear of being disliked or anything. Like, I want to be my true self this year. Them, like, just drifting away. Jokes apart, this is actually a very serious conversation. I see them drifting away. And what you guys fail to realize is that these people leaving these comments, they're not sent. Go and check them in their lives. Like, they are not sent. Probably you won't even be able to be their friend. Like, you will not even like them enough to be their friend. You don't even want to be their friend. They're not sent. We all are the way we are, Some of us, yes, have bad characters or bad attitudes or whatnot. Those ones you can learn to drop. But we're just talking about being expressive, being your true self. Is a very, very different case. And for the group of people that always get offended, for the group of people that always have something to say, for the group of people that cannot, even though you have something to say, can never say something good, just keep it to yourself this year, okay? Keep it to yourself. If actually go to your channel, make a video about it, it's totally fine. But don't bring it into people's spaces, okay? When we make video about, say, let's say I make a video about Toke Makinwa or whatever, I don't go to Toke's DM and start saying, look at what I said about it. I think you're this, I think. No, you don't go to her space. It's like having an opinion about somebody, right? Discussing it on the street, and versus having an opinion about somebody going to their house, knocking, I came here to tell you that. That's the difference. But people don't get it. People do not get it. Don't come into people's spaces with your negativity, with your thoughts about how you think they should behave, with your thoughts about how you think they should look, with your thoughts about how you think they should dress, okay?
Yeah, like, I don't feel like it's bad to think something's ugly, or I don't like that outfit, or I don't like the way that looks. I don't think that's a bad thing. I think it's when you say it and you relate it to the person themselves with the intention of making them know, I don't like the way you look, I don't like how you act, I don't like this, I don't like that. If you really...
That opinion you have, it's not sexy, it's okay. To you, it's not. And that's totally fine. So in your own life, express yourself the way you want when it comes to your dressing. Leave other people to express themselves the way they want. At least if you want to talk about it on your channel. Talk about it with your friends. Talk about it. Do not bring it into those people's spaces. That's where the problem is.